Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fadino bin Harudin. Today our group will do presentation basic statistical sampling in experimental data that include mean, mode, median, range, standard deviation and variance that refer to the job sheet 1 of DFV 030143 measurement and instrumentation. So this is our group, man.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Asfar Zulfahmi Al-Farid and I'm one of the teammates and I'm gonna present about median and mode.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faris bin Anwar. Today I will talk about range and median.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dan Shimran bin Romzi. So my part is I will presentation about standard deviation and I will and graph.
So the first one is mean. How can you find mean in this set of data? So the first step is find the sum of the values by adding them all up. So the second one is divide the sum by the number of values in the set of data. So in this slide, we adding them all up, then we divide by 16, and then we get 2171.88 in this link. Second one is mod. So the mod is the most common number that appears in your set of data. So as you can see here, the most common number that appear is 2.17k. So obviously it's 2.17k as a mod.
For the median, median is the data at the middle, and data 7 and data 8 at the middle, and data 7, data 8 is the same. The value is 2170, and we need to sum them, data 7 and data 8, and we divided by 2, and we got the median is 2170. And for the range, we need to insert the value to the formula, and the highest value is 2490 minus 2000, and the lowest value is 2160, and we got 30.
Alright, for my part, which is standard deviation. Alright, so for standard deviation, we know that standard deviation is a statistical concept that quantities how much the value in data set vary from their average, which is mean. So for our calculation here, for the formula, which is standard deviation equals cost variance. So our variance value is 56.49. So the value of our standard deviation, which is cost 56.49, and we will get the 7.52. So that's our standard deviation value. Okay, for the last one is variance. That means a statistical measure that represents the average of the square differences between each data point and the mean of data set. So before we search for variance, we're looking for deviation first. That the formula is Dn equal to xn minus mean. So xn mean every single data that minus to mean. So after we get all of the value that we minus to mean, we can search for variance. That the formula is sigma the power of 2 equal to d1 minus d2 divided by n minus 1. So after we replace all of the formula with the value, we can get the variance that equal to 56.49. for the graph.
Masuk behind the scene.
Alright, for the graph, you can see this our result for sample 3, our result graph for sample 3, and our highest data, which is 2119, and our lowest data, which is 2116. So that's our lowest data, and that's all for the graph.
Okay, last but not least, this is our data sample that we take from PFB 30143, measurement and instrumentation. We take sample 3 as this assignment 1. Stop. Before that, before we end all of this, this is our references that we use to do a calculation and explain all of what we explained before this. We use 5 reference from different websites, and one of them is from our syllabus measurement instrument job sheet. So that's all. Bye bye. So I think that's all from us. Thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu.